Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 3.3 question number 8. The following figures GUNS and RUNS are parallelograms. Find x and y. Lengths are in centimeter. Let us first solve question number 1. In figure 1 you see here it is given as 26 SN and GU is equal to 3y minus 1. GS is 3x and NU is 18. We can write 3x is equal to 18 because SG is equal to NU. What is the reason? Reason is that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Right? That is opposite sides are equal. Right? 3x is equal to 18. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 18 by 3. 3 6 is 18. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 6. Value of x is equal to 6. Now, here also you can write that GU is equal to SN because the reason is opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Sides are equal. Therefore, we can write GU is 3y minus 1. 3y minus 1 and this is equal to 26. 26 or it can be written as 3y is equal to 3y is equal to 26 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 or you can write here as 3y is equal to 26 plus 1 is 27. 27 or it can be written as y is equal to 27 by 3. 27 by 3 that is 3 9 27 that is 9. Therefore, the value of y is 9 and the value of x is equal to 6. That is the answer. The value of x is equal to 6 and the value of y is equal to 9. Now, question number 2. Question number 2 is, this is the figure, right? Here you see, if we take a name here, suppose the middle point is, let us take a middle point, that is suppose O, right? Now, we know that in a parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. We know that in a parallelogram, in a parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, we can write that HO is equal to OU. Therefore, the value of HO is 20 and OU is equal to y plus 7. Y plus 7 is equal to 20. Or you can write y is equal to 20 minus 7 Therefore, the value of y is equal to 13. Also, you can write that this OR is equal to ON, that ON is equal to OR. The value of ON is x plus y. X plus y is equal to the value of OR is 16. The value of y is equal to 13. Therefore, x plus 13 is equal to 16, or x is equal to 16 minus 13. The value of x is equal to 3. The value of x is equal to 3, and the value of y is equal to 13 in figure 2. And in figure 1, the value of x is equal to 6 and the value of y is equal to 9. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.